Do you think there is any child who has no friends? Have you seen around you? Do you like making friends? Do you like to share your things with others? Do you think there is any child who has no friends?
Okay students, now I am going to recite the poem and you have to practice it in the same manner, okay? So let us start. She had some sweets that she wouldn't share. She had a book that she wouldn't lend. She wouldn't let anyone play with her doll. She is nobody's friend. He had some toffee and ate every bit. He had a tricycle he wouldn't lend. He never let anyone play with his train. He is nobody's friend. But I will share all my sweets with you. My ball, my books and my games I will lend. Here's half my apple and half my cake. I am your friend.
Students, there are many children who do not like to share their things with anyone. There are many children who do not like to share their things with anyone. Some children fail to establish friendship. As a result, they have no friends. At the same time, there are many children who very lovingly share their things with everyone. Such children have many friends. So, the children who do not like to share their things with anyone, they have no friends as a result. And the children who like to share their things with everyone, they have many friends. Now, let us start the explanation of this poem. The poem is divided into 3 stanzas, first, second and third. First of all, we will start with the first stanza. So, let's start. Okay students, let's start the explanation part of the poem. The poem is a great lesson for children to teach them the habit of sharing. It is written by Annette Blyton and it is a very valuable poem. This poem begins by telling us about a little girl who does not like sharing her things with others. She does not like to share her things with others. It is about a little girl. Moreover, it tells us examples of things like she has a book but she does not lend them to anyone. Similarly, the girl also owns a doll. The girl also owns a doll, but she does not allow anyone to play with her doll. This means she is not a friend of anyone because she don't like to share her thing with others. As a result, she has no friends. Then the poem tells us about a little boy. He also has some toffees, but instead of sharing them with everyone, he eats them up. Similarly, the boy also has tricycle. Tricycle means beta 3-wheel cycle. Okay. So the boy also has a tricycle which he just rides alone. He does not lend it to anyone. he has no friends because he also don't like to share their things with his friends. Further, he also has some toys. The boy has a toy train and just plays it with himself. He does not let anyone else play with his train. He plays with it alone, which means he is not anybody's friend because he also don't like to share his things with his friends. So as a result, he has no friends. The poet tells us about herself. She says that she is a person who has sweets and will also share them with everyone. I am talking about the poet, okay? She has some sweets and will also share them to everyone. She says that she also has some books and balls which she is ready to lend to others. The poet also has games which she likes sharing with others. Moreover, the poet also goes on to say that even if she has one apple, single apple, okay, I am talking about only one apple. So the poet says that even if she has one apple, she will share the half as well. In addition, the poet has a cake which she is ready to share with others. As well, this shows that the poet is a very sharing person because she likes to share her things with everyone, like her cake, like her apple. If she has only one apple, she wants to share half apple to everyone. If she has a cake, she wants to share half piece of cake with her friends. It means, it shows that the poet is a very sharing person. She likes to share her things. She has a sharing habit, which is good for everyone. Finally, when she says all this about sharing, she concludes by saying that she is indeed the reader's friend. This way, we know that as the poet is sharing her things with others, she is a good friend. To sum it up, the poem shows us how sharing can help us go a long way. It is a great habit which will help us make friends. Here, the poet gives a valuable lesson to everyone. She says that if she has one apple, she wants to share half apple with her friends. It is a habit of sharing. Even then, if she has a piece of cake, she wants to share it half to everyone. It is also a habit of sharing, and we have to accept it. We have to observe it because sharing is a good habit. So this poem tells us about differences between the people who share and ones who don't. It gives us an example that those who do not share are not anybody's friend. If you are not sharing your things with your friends, if you are not sharing your things with anyone, it means you are nobody's friend. But at the same time, if you have sharing habit, if you like to share your things with your friends, with anyone, it means you have many friends. Because sharing is a good habit. In first and second stanza of the poem, Boy and a Little Girl, they do not like to share their things with anyone. It shows that both of them have no friends. But in the last stanza, when the poet talking about herself, she shows that sharing is a good habit, and she says that we have to share our things with everyone. As a result,
Okay students, let's start some difficult words. Your first word is share. What is the meaning of share? Share means contribution or serving. Next is lend. Lend means to give. Next is tricycle. Tricycle means three-wheel cycle. Next is nobody. Nobody means no one or none. Next word is everybody. Everybody means everyone, all. Next is somebody. Somebody means someone. Next is anyone. Anyone means any person. Okay. Next is care. What is the meaning of care? Care means concern. Okay. Let us take some word building. Can you find more words ending with LESS, less, like homeless and friendless? Can you find more words? Yes, there are many words like homeless and friendless and with LESS, less, like hopeless, harmless, careless, etc. Come to the next one. Can you find the opposite meaning of lend and somebody? Yes, the opposite meaning of lend will be borrow and nobody will be somebody. Next will be rhyming words. Let's start. There are two words like train and friend. Give the rhyming words of train and friend. The rhyming words of train will be brain, grain, rain, Spain, pain, etc. Next is friend. Rhyming words of friend will be send, lend, end, spend, etc. Now let's take some question answer. First question is, what are the things the girl does not want to share? What are the things the girl does not want to share? The answer is, the girl does not want to share her sweets, books and doll. The girl does not want to share her sweets, book and doll. Come to the next question. Did the boy share his toffee and tricycle with others? Did the boy share his toffee and tricycle with others? The answer is no. The boy did not like to share his toffee and tricycle with others. Next is, why are the two children nobody's friend? I am talking about first and second stanza, okay? Why are the two children nobody's friend? The answer is, the two children are nobody's friend because they do not share their things with others. The two children are nobody's friend because they do not like to share their things with others. Come to the next question. What does the child in the last stanza want to share? What does the child in the last stanza want to share? The answer is, the child in the last stanza wants to share her sweets, books, ball, games, apple, and cake. The girl, the child in the last stanza wants to share her sweets, books, ball, games, apple and cake. Next question is, do you like to share your favorite food and toys with others, and why? Give the answer. Do you like to share your favorite food and sweets and toys with others? Do you like it? Why? The answer is yes. I like to share my favorite foods and toys with others because I enjoy it very much. Come to the next question. Suppose that you and your friends were very thirsty. Suppose that, imagine that you and your friends were very thirsty and there was only one glass of water. What would you do at that time? Suppose that you and your friends were very thirsty and there was only one glass of water. What would you do at that time? Give the answer. Yes, the answer will be, we shall share the glass of water because sharing is a good habit. So, we shall share the glass of water with our friends. Come to the next question. Suppose that if you had a bat, could you play cricket by yourself? Give the answer. Suppose that if you had a bat, could you play cricket by yourself? The answer is no. We cannot play cricket alone. We need some friends to play. Okay? Okay students, it's over for today. It is a very lovely and interesting poem. It gives a valuable lesson to everyone. Don't leave even one line of the poem. Try to understand everything and write down the difficult words, question answer, other exercises in your notebook. Okay? And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Goodbye.